Hi beauties! Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product. The Fenty Skin Cherry Dub. Blah to Bright 5%. AHA Face Mask promises a lot, boasting a triple cherry complex infused with AHA and BHA for plumper, smoother, and brighter skin. Here's my take after trying it out. The unique jelly texture of this mask is a delight to apply, and the juicy Barbados cherry-inspired scent adds a refreshing touch to the experience. It feels gentle on the skin, making it suitable for those who may have sensitive skin. Upon application, I immediately felt a slight tingling sensation, indicating the active ingredients were at work. After rinsing off, my skin looked noticeably brighter and felt smoother. I appreciated that it didn't leave my skin feeling dry or irritated, which can sometimes happen with AHA and BHA products. With continued use 2 to 3 times a week, I noticed a reduction in the appearance of pores, dark spots, and fine lines. My skin felt plumper and more bouncy, giving me a youthful glow. The mask also prepped my skin beautifully for makeup application, providing a smooth canvas. Following up with a moisturizer SPF 30 is essential to protect the skin from sun damage and maintain the brightened and even tone achieved with the mask. Final thoughts. Overall, the Fenty Skin Cherry Dub. Blah to Bright 5% AHA. Face mask lives up to its promises of instantly brightening the skin without causing irritation or dryness. Its effective combination of triple cherry complex, AHAs, and BHAs delivers visible results, making it a valuable addition to any skincare routine. Whether you're targeting pores, dark spots, or fine lines, this mask delivers a plumper, smoother, and brighter complexion, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized.